speech. The First Amendment protects material, presumptively.
We don't talk about harassing and sexually brutalizing women in my music, man. We don't do that in my music, man. I'm tired of you saying that.
We've got white collar people trying to crap our style, saying we're too nasty and we're too live. Corrupted politicians playing games, bringing us down to boost their fame. They must be joking, thinking we will fall, but they're like flies moving the wall. We stand tall from beginning to end, with the help from fans and all our friends. Freedom of speech will never die. For us to have, our ancestors died. Don't keep thinking that we will quit. We'll always stand and never sit. We're too live, too black, too strong, doing the right thing and not the wrong. So listen up, y'all, to what we say. We won't.
All right, so somebody picked up the Cylons. I'm actually doing these as a makeup for somebody. Ash is building them over there. So, but I wanted to get this one finished out today. This is my homage to the JL Audio 10W7. It uses a, I think, 2.5-inch voice coil on a Vato Xtreme triple stack motor that I had glued together. Let's see. Put that to 8.5. There we go. FS is 30 hertz. QTS is 0.8. It is a dual 2-ohm copper coil. And then the VAS is 0.64. And then I'm going to combo it up with this one. This is a genuine, whatever that means, because JL didn't make it. Does it say JL on there? No, it doesn't. This is a JL Audio ported box. Not that it's special, but JL fans want genuine stuff. And then I think I have the amp. Yep, I still have it. So we'll run it at 4 ohms, so it's super clean on the, what is this, a 250 one with, does it have a clipping indicator? I don't know if it's a clipping indicator. That would be great. It's reminiscent of the old, I had a guy in yesterday about that Rockford Fosgate amp, and we were talking about RF2000 amplifiers back from the 90s. So it's a good little amp. Does full power at 4, 3, 2, or 1.5. So we may even try it in parallel to see if the low impedance light comes on or not. Again, this thing adjusts for gain. Again, it doesn't want you to clip. It kind of dummy proofs all that. It's super expensive to do that, but for the most part, it's basically a 500 watt amplifier that they only allow you to use half of it. So that's why they last forever and they run really clean.